Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add more than one fingerprints on your Android smartphone. Now for this demonstration I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, the process should be the same on any Android smartphone. So what you need to do is to go and look for the setting options on your smartphone and tap on it to open. From here you have to scroll down until you get to password and security. The name might be different depending on the smartphone you are using, however they should be closely related. Now if I tap on it, you can see that I have a number of protection and have the screen lock which is on, and also I have fingerprints which is on. However, I'll wish to add another fingerprint. To add another fingerprint, I'll just tap on fingerprint and then I'll enter my password or my PIN to unlock more options. And here we go. Now as you can see, I have one fingerprint that is already added on the smartphone, and to add another fingerprint all I need to do is to select or to tap on add fingerprint, and this will open up, will check the security, and I'll have to enter the PIN or the pattern if you are using any of the two, and then I'll have now to place my hand on the sensor or on biometric sensor on my smartphone. For my case, my biometric sensor is on the lock button, so I'll have to go ahead and let the person I want to add the fingerprint or another person to add the fingerprint place the finger on the biometrics, and the fingerprints, as you can see, the second fingerprint is being added, and I'll do this until the pattern is filled, and here we go, it is done as you can see here. So we have an option also to add a face recognition, but for my case I don't want to add a face recognition, so I'll tap on cancel and then done. Now I have two fingerprints, and these may be either of the same person using two fingers or two different people. So by following these steps, you'll be able to add as many fingerprints on your smartphone as possible. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.